Hi, 5th grade, it's Mrs. Feathers. We're going to go over your grammar practice pages for the week. This week you were assigned pages 66 to 69. Your first page is page 66. It is on linking verbs. The box at the top states that a linking verb links the subject of a sentence to a noun or adjective in the predicate. Common linking verbs include am, is, are, was, were, and will be. The verbs seem, feel, appear, look, and taste can also be used as linking verbs. As always, subjects and linking verbs must agree. The directions on this page state to read each sentence and choose the correct linking verb. Write it on the line provided. Number 1, today's speaker blank a movie director. We need to choose between today's speaker is or today's speaker are. Because speaker is singular, I'm going to choose is. You will finish this page with the same directions for 2 through 10. Your next page is page 67. On this page, we're going to be looking at how linking verbs work. The box at the top states that a linking verb links the subject of a sentence to a noun or an adjective in the predicate. The noun that follows a linking verb renames or identifies the subject, and the adjective that follows a linking verb describes the subject. It is called a predicate adjective. On this page, we're going to read each sentence, underline the simple subject, then circle the word in the predicate that is linked to the subject by the verb. Let's do a few of these together. The lines and circles are already drawn for you. You will just need to drag them and possibly resize them. So the first part of the directions is asking us to find the simple subject. Remember, the subject is who or what the sentence is about. Number 1 says, our picnic is a disaster. Picnic is my subject, so I'm going to drag my line up to picnic. Resize it so it's only underlining picnic. And then I have to decide which word in the predicate is linked to the subject by a linking verb. So is my linking verb, and it's connecting the word disaster to describe the picnic. So I'm going to circle disaster. That is what is being connected to my subject. Number 2, the insects are a nuisance. First, I need to decide what my simple subject is. The sentence is about insects. And the linking verb is are. And it is linking the word nuisance to describe my simple subject, insects. You will finish up this page with the same directions for 3 through 10. You also will need to do page 68. On this page, we're punctuating titles and product names. The box at the top states that titles always begin with a capital letter. All major words in the title are also capitalized. Do not use a capital letter for articles, conjunctions, and prepositions. Underline or italicize the titles of major works, such as books, newspapers, and magazines. We use quotation marks around smaller works, such as poems, songs, or short stories. We capitalize all major words in product names. Product names do not require underlining, italicizing, or quotation marks. We're going to do an example of each of these rules together. Number 1, So we need to rewrite the sentence correctly by underlining or placing quotation marks around the titles. And we need to capitalize letters in titles or product names as needed. Number 1 says, I just read the book, A World of Wonderful Words. So I see that it's a book title. So I know books I either need to underline or italicize. And I also need to capitalize all important words in the title. That means I'm going to capitalize the word A because it's the first word in the title, the W in world, the W in wonderful, and the W in words. I am not capitalizing the small word of. To underline on the computer, up at the top, you'll see a U with an underline underneath. Or if you want to use italics, it's the I that's on a slant. Number 2, the book is about the inventor of the wordy Wonderbot. I see a product name, Wordy Wonderbot. I know I need to capitalize product names. However, I do not underline or italicize product names. So all I need to do in this sentence is capitalize the W in wordy and the W in Wonderbot. Number 3, the author also wrote the article, The 7 Signs of Success. I see that there is an article title in this sentence, meaning I need to put the article title in quotations because it's a smaller piece of work. And I need to make sure I capitalize the words in the article title. So I'm going to capitalize the T and the because it's the first word of the title. S in 7, S in signs, leave my smaller word of lowercase, and the S in success. You only have 2 more to do on your own. Your last grammar page is, as always, your proofreading page. The box at the top goes over all of the rules from the previous pages. The directions state to proofread the paragraph. On the lines below, correct mistakes in linking verb usage, titles, and project names. We're going to do 2 sentences together. The first sentence reads, is your library books always overdue? Because books is plural, I need to have subject-verb agreement. The is should be are. Grant Lynn, author of the book Get Your Life on Track, can help. I noticed that there is a mistake in a book title. It does not have the correct capitalization, and it also needs either underlined or in italics. So the G needs to remain capitalized. I'm going to use italics. The Y needs to be capitalized in your. The L in life. On is one of my smaller words. I do not capitalize. And the T in track stays capitalized. You just simply click the I or the U to take it off once you're done. You will finish going through this paragraph, making any more corrections that are needed. As always, please reach out to any of the reading teachers if you have questions. Make sure that you're looking back at your comments to see if we have left you any feedback before you go to take your grammar quiz on Thursday. I hope you have a wonderful day, 5th grade. Bye.